Hey, what is going on guys, Pog here and welcome to today's video. In this video we're going to go ahead and unbox and take a quick look at the Escort Max 360. So this one here is a 360 directional arrow, so it will tell you where the signal is coming from. It also has GPS, which says it's pinpoint accuracy, dual antenna, front and rear detection, as well as lightning fast response. So we also have this very nice screen over here that will tell you what the speed limit is on that particular road if you're connected through the phone. But it also shows you what the speed limit is if you're not connected to the phone and you're passing one of the speed and red light cameras. Now, looking over here, we have this beautiful front of the packaging, maximum precision, 360 directional ticket protection. And then if we take a look at the top here, we do have Escort Max 360. Here's the side, nothing really. So on the back of the box, we do have the Escort Live over here, web ready, so you can kind of get this updated for your latest software. Multicolor OLED display. We also have the Defender database, which is awesome. So what this does, it kind of tells you where those red light cameras are, the speed cameras, the speed traps, and other risk areas there. Crystal clear voice alert, so this will actually tell you what's going on other than the beeping noise. It will tell you if it's a KA band. It will tell you speed trap ahead or red light camera ahead and stuff like that. Dual languages, so it includes English and Spanish, which is quite cool. And here we have more information about how this is. Package includes the Max 360, 12-volt smart cord USB, so this one allows you to mute the source, which is nice. It also has LED lights on it. Travel case and magnetic sticky cup mount, so it's also very easy to connect the radar detector to the mount and then remove it so it's out of the visibility area. So let's go ahead and cut the seal open. There we go. Now the box here actually slides nicely, so the cover just comes nicely off. There we go. And here's the actual box where the radar detector is stored in. Gonna just lift this open. And here we go. So this is inside of a nice bag. Let's go ahead and put this away. Alright guys, so here it is. Let's go ahead and slide this out. Throw that bag away. Congratulations, we trust you will enjoy your high-performance Escort detector. If you have questions about your detector or its many features, our customer service experts are here to assist you. Need help? Please do not return this product to the store. Now, I did actually buy this one with my own money. This was not sent to me, in case you guys are wondering. But yeah, so Escort Max 360. Here's the manual here, as you guys can see. This is pretty much what it looks like. And then here's the other side. Pretty much tells us with all the features this detector has. Let's go ahead and put this aside as well. And here's the travel bag, which the radar detector is inside at the moment. We do have a nice handle here, I guess, so you can just carry it. Also this guy right here, nice. On the back here, we do have a card. It's like a business size, business card size. Pretty much shows and says thank you for purchasing the radar detector. We do have a nice zip area over here, so we can store some SD cards or something like that in case you guys have dash cams. But yeah, so other than that, let's go ahead and open this up and reveal the stuff inside. So here's the first thing. We do have the sticky cup mount. Let's go ahead and take it out. There we go. Now this is what the sticky cup mount looks like. We do have this protective film here, so I can just pull this off, and then we have this sticky material here and the suction cup right here. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and do that. Here we can adjust the level of the radar detector. This guy here is the smart power cord. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you guys can see, we do have a USB port there. We do have also like alert and a power light there. And this is kind of a mute switch there. So if you your detectors keep making noises, you can just tap this and quickly mute it. And nice and adjustable cable there. Next up over here, well, technically the last thing over there, because nothing else here, and there's actually a separation there. Throw that away. And lastly, here is the detector itself. Now, personally, guys, I like to configure this through the app instead of using the manual way. But here's pretty much what it looks like. Pulling that off, we got our directional arrows. Here's the buttons. We have power, mute, and then this is where you mount it. GPS. It's kind of what it looks like. There's the side. We do have the plug there, a USB, mini USB there. That's how I update it. But looking over here, there's the left side, and here's the front. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Now, another thing I actually picked up is a like those 12-volt outlet switch or extender. So it pretty much allows it to have more than one. Again, I picked this up from Amazon as well. So if we look over here, we have this switch here. It also comes, looks like, with a spare fuse, which is nice, as well as a 3M tape here, and also instructions. Now here's pretty much what this looks like. It has individual buttons here to turn it on and off. It also has 4 USB ports on the right side. And here is pretty much what goes into your 12-volt outlet in a car. And that pretty much turns it into 3 12-volt outlets here, as well as the 4 USB ports. Now, with this build quality, I'm not really a big fan. There's also a on and off switch. But honestly, with the plastic that they use, it feels very cheap compared to the one that I already have purchased in the past. So yeah, this one here, not really my favorite, but it also has a voltage light over here as well. It's quite cool to get this here. I just don't find the build quality to my likings, but we'll see how this goes. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much what was included inside of the packaging there. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to quickly show you guys how the app looks like and my preferred settings. Alright guys, so that's pretty much what it looks like when I go ahead and mount the radar detector. It actually looks really nice. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the settings that I prefer to set this radar detector with. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and turn it on. There we go, it's now plugged in. It's about to boot up. There we go. So the screen is not flickering like this in reality, and the detector on default is on highway settings. So let's go ahead and open the app and put my preferred settings. So the detector is plugged in. Gonna go ahead over to the settings, devices, and then it should appear here as other devices. Maybe I need to connect through my actual settings. I already have another Max 360, so there we go. This is the new one. Let's go ahead and connect to it. And we are connected. So let's go back to the app. And as you can see right now here, it says that we are connected. We're not going to register. And all right, so now we can actually go over to the radar settings. And from here, let's make sure that it is connected. So display color. If I look here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is blue. I'm going to change it to red. And as you guys can see, it did turn red. I don't know why this is happening. So these are the settings that I just configured for this new Max 360. This is my other one. And so pretty much I want to stick with the same settings. So these are the settings I've been using. So sensitivity is on auto, brightness is on auto as well. The pilot here is scanning bar. And what this is, it's actually like how this is happening. I don't know if you guys can see those nice cool waving effects. So if I go full word, as you can see, it's now just like that. It just says it's on auto. It doesn't do any of those wavy stuff, but I find it to be cool, so I just have it on just like that. Next one here is meter mode. So it's spec FR2. Aero mode is on band, And then auto mute is on medium. Audio tones is standard plus. ZR3 mode shift. Voice is on, auto power is off. And then units are on metric because I'm in Canada here. And GPS filter is on. And then auto learn is on. Cruise alert off. Overspeed alert off. We also get like language here, English. Display color is blue. You can definitely change it to different colors if you like. And also we have the speed on display, which actually shows you how fast you are traveling. So if you go ahead here, you have off, and when you have it off, it will tell you like voltage and stuff, just like, I don't know if you guys can see there, but yeah, just like that. So I like having it on so I can actually see my speedometer and there, just make sure everything is right. And with this Jeep SRT, it's actually always equal, I guess. So over here, we have also user mode, which is on advanced, and then you have novice, which I think this is like if you don't know anything about radar detectors, it's like simple plug and go, I guess. So these are the band settings that I've been using for a while now. And also there's the marker setting. So the red light cameras and speed cameras do a great job. They tell you exactly where they are, and they kind of remind you as well. So they will tell you it's ahead, and then when you get near it, they will say it's here, kind of thing. So it's actually very good. It's been working out great, because at the end of the day, those red light cameras are for safety stuff. And so when you're aware, you drive much more safely to come to a complete stop when you know the light is going to turn red. So yeah, technically radar detectors do help you drive safer, because they kind of make you slow down every time you hear a beep. Now when it comes to like the radar detector, it will definitely have some false alerts, but it does learn pretty quickly. So I'm sure this one here will have a lot of false alerts, but it will definitely learn very quickly. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll quickly throw in the sample. Other than that, again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. So one thing I want to go ahead and show you guys is actually the laser detection, because with the iPhone XS Max, this Face ID actually can trigger the laser detection, which is not working right now. Let's try and see if it will trigger it. There we go. So that's kind of what it looks like.
In 1 kilometer, keep right to merge onto 8201 North.
Ja,